Hey guys, what's up? This is Masum here. I know you are struggling in spoken English and that is why you are here. So okay, let's learn together. As I said on my previous video that you should learn a new word on daily basis. So okay, now in this video I'm gonna teach you a new word today, and the word is Druthers. You can see the word on the screen. Druthers, Druthers, and the word is always in plural. So what does it means? It means जैसे कि हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि बस चलना. So बस चलना मीन्स मतलब क्या है? मतलब जैसे कि अगर मेरा बस चलता तो मैं सारा दिन सोया रहता. एग्जाम्पल हम बोलते हैं ना, बिल्कुल उसी तरह. So there is an example, and that is if I had my druthers, then I spend whole day by sleeping. Okay, even when I was a pre-beginner, and on that way I was used to learn new words daily basis and learn new sentences which are using in my daily basis life. So in this way you can learn so many words, so many sentences which are new in these days, and you can utilize them in your real life, so you can improve your English level. So learning new words and learning new sentences are very easy, okay, because you are using social media, and on the social media, whether in X, Facebook, YouTube, or wherever, you always, if you follow some pages, you will always able to learn the new words and sentences which will help you in your real life to improve your English level. And the most important thing is, without practice you can't grow, you can't improve your spoken English. So speak with yourself, speak in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. I always say that in my all of the videos, because or you can practice with your friends or with your family one, with the younger one who are the children. Because if you can't able to speak, then at least try to speak. Without practicing you can't grow your you can't enhance your spoken English. So keep learning and improve your English. I hope you guys got me. Subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos. Till the next video में तब तक के लिए thanks for watching. जय हिंद.